Mark your calendars, Saturday, October 14th. That's the day the newly renovated Downtown Garland Square is set to reopen. Construction of the reimagined and redesigned historic downtown square is approaching the finish line. We're now about 3/4 of the way there. Already 3 of the 4 intersections have been reconstructed and back open to traffic. Main and 6th is the only intersection left, but parking on 6th Street between Main and State is once again open to local traffic, meaning you can park up close to your favorite downtown business on that side of the square.
As the trees are planted and the landscaping progressively comes online, it really softens the space and brings that vision to life, and it's something that we're very excited about in downtown and can't wait to see what the future holds.
Infrastructure work continues, but we are now in the final phase of that. Traffic patterns have changed, so look for detour signs. Final touches are happening on our playground observation tower as well as the shade pavilion. On the recreational lawn, irrigation, grading prep, and electrical work are underway. You may have noticed Schumart red oak trees in the ground already throughout the square. Also being planted are alley elms, live oaks, Monterey oaks, Mexican sycamores, and Creole Queen American elms. Streetscapes work also continues beyond the immediate downtown area. The Downtown Garland Square is starting to look more and more like the plan and vision for the heart of the city.
This has been a conversation, a project in the works for quite a while, and as we are seeing the light at the end of the tunnel, we ask that the community still come out and support these local businesses throughout this project. We have plenty of parking available.
That big day again is Saturday, October 14th. We are planning a full day of events to mark the occasion, including a special visit from Garland's own LeAnn Rimes.
We couldn't be more excited. She's from Garland, grew up in Garland, performed right over here off the downtown square, so it just seems like the perfect fit to have the hometown girl come and see what we've been up to while she's been gone.
For more details about the big celebration or to get the latest on the construction progress, check out garlandtx.gov.